आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
शहा आयोगान सांगिल्ले प्रमाण गोंयांत 35,000 कोटीचे मायनिंग स्कॅम जाला. ही रक्कम परत वसूल करून घेवची आणि तातूंतली 10% रक्कम मायनिंगाचेर निम्मून आशिल्ल्यांक दिवची म्हूण गोवा डेमोक्रेटीक फ्रंटाचो मुखेली दयानंद नार्वेकार मागता.
The government has by itself admitted before the assembly session and during the last election that the loss to the exchequer and the mining scam is 25,000 crore rupees. I stand for Shah Commission, which has estimated the loss to the exchequer of 35,000 crores. And for me, and the record shows that this is bigger scam than Karnataka. I demanded that from 25,000 crore, 10% of that money should be paid back to the mining affected people, that is truck owners, workers and all those things. Unfortunately, that is also not being done at present.
भगत सिंग, राजगुरू आणि सुखदेवाच्या बलिदानाची याद काडपा खातीर पतंजली योग समिती आणि भारत स्वाभिमानान 23 मार्चाक देशभर योग महोत्सव दवरला. देशभर 10 कोटी लोक वांटेकार जावपाची शक्यताय आसा.
योग आनी प्राणायाम हो आमचो भारताचो असो एकरूप करपा खातीर तांच्यांनी एक संकल्प केल्लो आसा. येता 23 मार्च 2014 ह्या दिसा सांजवेळा 4 ते 6 वरांचेर भारतभर तशेंच इतर देशांनी सुद्दां एकठांय येवन 10 कोटी लोक योग आनी प्राणायाम करतात ते दिसा, जेणे करून हो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड आमी करपाक सोदता.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
बुधवारा सांजे दिवचले घोडेमोडणी जाली. शिगम्याच्या तेंपार वार्षिक हो उत्सव जाता. मराठा राजवटीचो झुजारी इतिहास दाखोवपी आनी लोकांक आजूय ताची याद करून दिवपी हो लोककलेचो प्रकार. सध्या गोंयभर सगळ्याक शिगमो, घोडेमोडणी आनी गड्यांचे दीस. धोल ताशांच्या तालार घोडे नाचतात. आजूय दिवचलकारी पारंपारीक घोडेमोडणी पळोवंक गर्दी करतात. पळयात दिवचलची घोडेमोडणी. GPL T20च्या सुपर 4 लिगांक धेंपोवन साळगांवकाराक 6 विकेटींनी मारले. साळगांवकारान पयली बॅटिंग करून 73 रन काडले. धेंपोवन 11 ओव्हरी भितर हें टार्गेट काडलें. अमित मिश्रा आनी शादाब जगातीक मॅन ऑफ द मॅच वांटून गेले. शुक्रारा पयली मॅच धेंपो आनी चौगुले आनी दुसरी मॅच साळगांवकार आनी जिनो मदीं जातली. GPL प्रुडंटाचेर लायव्ह चलता.
Shailu spins the coin. Tails is the call. I have decided to bowl first.
This time the short ball not very well connected. There's a fielder coming there. And he's dropped. This time adding insult to injury. That's gone for 6. This time a pull shot. There is a fielder coming underneath it. This time it's taken. Excellent delivery there to clean up the batsman.
नाचो पहिलो बॉल आणि परवेजाचो मिस टाइम जाल्लो आसा शॉट आणि ताणी रिस्की रन घेतिल्लो आसा.
Lovely delivery there, caught behind. This time down the leg side, fine leg is inside the circle. That ball goes racing to the fence for 4. This time once again up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. Shadab Jakati, he won't miss this. This time he's got him, it looks like. It's been referred to the third umpire. This one has been hit up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it, Vishal Singh. Time just for a single. If he hits, It might be curtains now for Salgaonkar. It looks like they have their man. This time, lovely shot in the gap. And Ravi Teja starts his campaign with a boundary. This time in the shot, lovely shot there. That was all about timing. Couple of bounces into the fence. And Swapnil Aslurkar is out of the very first ball. Shot ball there, lovely shot. Darshan Misal, and he's been greeted with a 6. And this time he's caught behind. This time in the gap on the offside. Time the batsman steps down the crack. The ball is up in the air. The bowler is underneath it. And what a lovely catch. Brilliant catch there. And that's it. So comprehensive victory for Dempos, which came in just the 11th over. 77 for 4.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.